COVID-19 had a significant impact to our infrastructure.
We definitely saw an increase in the number of users that are using Facebook's family of apps and services, and we in the infrastructure organization are keeping all of that running. So it's very important that we've been able to adapt and understand how to work in this environment to keep that service up and running.
You can just imagine anything where we're designing and operating millions of devices in data centers all over the world, and it needs to be very reliable. That's a big, hard challenge all by itself. Stacking COVID on top of it means now we have to figure out how to do this without our typical well-known way of working that follows our impulses, where everybody's together all the time, everybody's in very interactive conversation.
We have a reduced capacity in the labs. We have more people working at home. So how do we still design, build, test, and deliver world-class hardware with those challenges?
So even though we've had some added constraints, we've just had to get creative and really, in some cases, go back to that startup culture roots, right, of working from your garage. We've literally had to do that during this time.
Everybody is actually, worldwide, is under the same constraint. And for us to still be able to get this done and move projects forward from home has been amazing.
We're all builders at heart, and that we all have creative minds, and we can still make things happen from anywhere, basically. It's nice to have these toys, but actually the people on our team are the right people, and we can make it happen basically anywhere.
Keeping these infrastructures going globally for Facebook, that was definitely one of the main driving force for our entire team.
My son's nursery has been transformed into my office, but we still get parts shipped. I'll get prototypes shipped here, and the kitchen table can become a workbench.
Facebook made it easy to work from home if you need to buy equipment to set up your own experiments, and there was a lot of support around that.
We were able to leverage our existing IT hardware and build the IT hardware that we needed to be successful at home, and then be at work on an as-required basis. So this is where working with the lab operations team and workplace planning teams was critical. So as part of that, we were able to prioritize a lot of the design for manufacturing and camp programming at home, and build and assemble and test that hardware here in the facility in Menlo Park.
I find a lot of inspiration watching people adapt. I've been really inspired watching the team come together and learn how to overcome obstacles.
Adapting is our new normal, and this is what the belief that I have is it's one of the strengths of Facebook.
COVID taught me one thing: when teams collaborate, have trust in their partners, an undaunted commitment as a team to act in unison with one another, the impossible is nothing.